What's good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great like always. Matter of fact, I'm not even gonna say it, bro. I'm in a good mood like always. I hope you are too. Make sure you grab your laptop while watching the video. That way you learn the most out of it, you feel me? Again, we got some morning living room cook-ups, you feel me? I got my tea right here. I got my lovely subscribers right here, and we're just going to dive right into it. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Join the family, join the community, you feel me? Let's just go crazy, bro. Gang. Just really simple, something really subtle. I got this sound from the Unison Blueprint. It's like a kit with 449 sounds in it. It contains like melodies, midis, and just like one shots and drum sounds. Super fire kit, and it's free. So if you want to get a taste of the Unison Blueprint, go download it. The link is in the description. Let's pitch everything down. Bro, this beat is a vibe, bro. This really, it made me quiet. That's what it is, bro. It made me just quiet. I'm speechless. This beat is just beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. It really means a lot to me, so thank you so much for like supporting me. Make sure to check out some of my other videos. Like, the channel just go crazy, and I really love making these videos for you guys. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at @SkanaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys.